So hello everyone, today we're going to see how to download a book from Library Genesis. So let's take a book that is on Amazon that you have to pay for. For example, let's look for a book of computer science. So as you can see here. So let's look for the most expensive one. So as you can see here, this is the most expensive one. So I will copy the title of the book first and then I will go on Google and search for Library Genesis. I will click on the first link here. This is a web page for Library Genesis. So I will paste the title here, then I will click on search. So as you can see here, we have a lot of options available to us. So now I'm going to look who is the author of the book, which is Keith Brown. So Keith Brown, as you can see here, we have Keith Brown, and here also we have Keith Brown. So then after finding the book, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on, you see mirrors here, so you have links where you can download the book here. So I will click on the first one, for example, and as you can see, it will go to another page. So then I just need to click on get here, and it will download the book automatically. As you can see, my book is being downloaded here. Of course, it will take some time to download. We'll have to wait it. It is 160 MB. So you'll wait for it to finish download and then you have your book. So this is how you can download almost any book online freely. So thank you everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe.